Today we'll be talking about the skin's barrier, and specifically an impaired barrier. For simplicity, an impaired barrier is defined as improper function of or damage to the stratum corneum. Now that we understand what we're referring to when we speak about an impaired barrier, let us get into how to identify an impaired barrier. An impaired barrier is characterized with rough, red, flaky, and hypersensitive skin due to the skin's inability to protect itself from the outside environment. This is often as a result of transepidermal water loss. The most common causes of impaired barriers are as follows: overuse of aggressive products, harsh climates, removal of natural moisturizing factors, also known as NMFs. These are substances that are responsible for maintaining hydration in the skin and pliability by attracting and holding moisture in the skin. The removal of natural moisturizing factors results in excessive transepidermal water loss. Another cause is intracellular membranes being interrupted, and these are responsible for holding or trapping water in the skin. Last but not least is aging. The good news is an impaired barrier can be fixed, and that is where Skin Functional comes in. Firstly, stop all use of exfoliation and retinoid treatment for about 2 weeks or a month. The products that you will need to incorporate, or rather the ingredients, are ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and squalane. With ceramides, they make up 50% of the skin's lipid content. What I love about them is that they also help to protect the skin against premature aging. With ceramides being replenished, this actually helps to preserve the skin barrier and therefore help to reduce water loss. Another ingredient that I personally love is hyaluronic acid. This actually helps to maintain hydration in the skin and therefore optimize moisture content with a hydrated, plump, smooth skin. Skin Functional's modified form of hyaluronic acid ensures that it penetrates to all depths in the skin. This therefore helps to ensure that deeper layers have optimized moisture content. Last but not least, we have squalane, of which this is a plant-derived molecule which works phenomenal when it comes to repairing and keeping the skin barrier intact. Thank you for watching. Your barrier thanks you too.